Unicorn of fire.
Hello, it's Libby again, and today I am going to be putting the secret recipe of Girl Barbecue Rub onto this good brisket. We have some nice marbling of fat in going through the brisket, and then a nice fat cap. So first I'm going to put the mustard on. This is to just help it stick. Looks like SpongeBob when he's died. SpongeBob is now in peace. And then we sprinkle some of the girl powder on. And pat. So because of the mustard, it's now sticking better than before. Because if without the mustard, it would have just all fallen off really. And there is our brisket. Done. So what I've got here is the brisket that we put the mix on earlier. And we need to put it nearer to the black parts at the end instead of the white parts, because if we put them on the white parts, they'll just cook really quickly and it won't. But we want to be able to make sure that it cooks nice and slow. So, and then when it's gone quite far around, we'll put it to the other side. So about there. So we've checked the internal temperature, it looks very good, and now we're just going to wrap it. So what I'm going to do right now is lift this juicy thing into here, and let's wrap it up. We would normally use butcher paper, but we've run out of that. This is very noisy, but I don't know if butcher paper would be as well or not. Now we're going to put it in a cool bag to make sure that all the heat stays in. And done. So we've cooked it and it's been rested. Hopefully it's okay now. If it isn't, it's my daddy's fault because he's been looking at it. And if you look at it, it ain't cooking. I think I might have just done it. Nearly done it. Haha! Bingo. Now that is good, and also very, very hot. It's good.
Thumbs up.
Boom!